Hello! Elastic shoelaces come in different styles and sizes, but in this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about this style. The bug in my leg. It's itchy. And I'm going to show you the best way that I found to pick which size lace works best in each hole for a nice comfortable fit, not too loose and not too tight, as well as how to install them. Okay, let's go. These laces are designed for shoes with small lace holes like this, and not for shoes that have loops stitched in like this. Also, they're not designed for larger holes with rings like this, that are made for thick laces. These laces come in 10 different sizes, and each size number is etched right into each lace. There's the strap, and then you have these small arrowhead shapes along with a thin nub at each end to help grip it. With one foot in the shoe, with the traditional laces tied to a comfortable tightness, line up the end of each arrow point before the nub to the lace hole that you're looking for the correct size to. And just lay it down comfortably, don't stretch the lace to line them up. Using the arrow points, once you find the size lace that matches the holes, as shown here, then you've found a good matching size for those two holes that will provide just enough tension to feel like they're securing your shoe well on your foot. Start on the two holes closest to your toes and work your way up. Once you find the correct size on two holes, either note it for future installation or just install that correct size on the other shoe. How to install. Insert the nub into the hole with the nub end pointing to the interior of the shoe. Grab hold of the nub through the other end of the lace hole and grip it tight to work the arrow shape all the way through. Do the same for the other end of the lace into the other accompanying hole. Some shoes may be easier than others to get the laces through, but if the holes are tight enough, once they're in, they aren't going anywhere and will last a long time. Now you have cool and clean looking laces and can start putting your shoes on and taking them off in no time.